Hi, so this is a video where I'll guide you about Nutrium app where you can register your food intake, physical exercise as well as water. Click on this menu icon where you will get to see the food for the menu for the day. Click on one of the meals, that is breakfast. You will see whatever foods you are supposed to eat. Anything which is highlighted in bold has a recipe there. Click on that and you get to see the recipe where you'll get to see the ingredients as well as the method of preparation on the right side. Similarly, you can see each and every meal plan of the day. Go in that and you can check the menu of the same. Now, you can click on the list icon and here you will get to see all the recommendations which have been uploaded by me. The different instructions. This will be different for each and every client. You can click on the top right corner, the message icon, and you will just get to see all the messages which have been exchanged between you and me, any meal plan which has been updated, any instructions or recommendation update. Click on the plus sign if you have to give any message to me, where you can change the request for an appointment or progress feedback. Any question you have, you can. There's a direct option where you can log in your meal by clicking on the blue button right at the center, top center. Once you click on that, you can directly log in the food that you have eaten. In case you want to swap the food with any other item that you've eaten, click on the swap button and search for the food item. For example, you've eaten curds, you will type down curds and click on the search, and you can select whether it is cows, buffalo, whichever, and edit the amount. It is half cup, 1 cup, or whatever is the quantity, and click on the save button on the top right, again on the save, and the food will be logged in. Apart from the menu which has been given, if you want to add some more meals, first of all you will see all the meals which are planned, but if you want to add one more meal which you must have eaten, then go on the plus button and click on the food item, the menu which you have add, whether it is a breakfast or a supper. Edit the timing, click on save, go on the plus button, add the food item by typing it out. Type the food whatever you've eaten, the quantity, save, and you will click on the save, and that meal will be added on the main diary. So if you have had the meal which was planned, you just click on the green button as planned. If you have skipped it, you can click on the yellow button and say skipped. Make sure the water in the main page, the notification is switched on, and you can directly add the number of glasses which you are having from that page by clicking on the 200 ml or the 350 ml icon. It will get added to the main water log. You can also add custom number of glasses by clicking on the custom button. Here you will see the log. You can delete or add by clicking on the plus button on top right and make the changes. On the home page, the last bit which you can enter is the physical activity. Make sure the notification is on. Here it is on, that's why it's asking me whether I want to revoke it, but anyways, the notification has to be on. This can be synced with your fitness app or through your tracker, or you can manually log in the physical activity by searching and writing whatever activity you've done. For example, walking, and it will display various options of walking. You have to just choose on the normal walking. We will click on that. Then you can edit the distance, the number of hours or minutes which you have done, how much calories have you burned, and click on the save button after that. And I'm over here, I'm just showing you how to edit the duration, which is going to be like 45 minutes, and the calories also, if it is displayed on the treadmill. What was the distance that I covered in this 45 minutes? I'll just write it back and I will save the button. Once you save it, you can also see that the fire icon appears that on Wednesday you have worked out. On the bottommost right, there are 3 dots. Just click on that and you can see different logs. In that, we'll go to the recipes section. Once you click on the recipe, you will get to see all the recipes that have been planned for you. May it be a weekly diet or 15 days, but each and every recipe you can go through over here by clicking on it. The most interesting part is the shopping list. You click on the shopping list, you click on the add button, and you can choose the shopping list for 2 weeks. Just click on the 2 weeks and you will get all the list of the food items which you should be buying. So click on 2 and it will immediately fetch all the ingredients from the menu and give you the list over there. Now this we can see it is for 2 weeks. If you have certain things at home already, you can tick mark, or else you can keep it as it is. Click on the plus sign and you can add your own food item. So you click here and you search, add the new product, whatever you have to buy, and just that's it. Click on the measurements. In the measurements, you can mainly add is the weight. So we go on the weight, you can see the progress of the weight either weekly, monthly or yearly basis. You can scroll right, left, and you can go on the different tabs and check your progress of the weight loss. Apart from that, you can go on to the top right, click on the green button and add the weight on that particular day or whichever date you have checked your weight, and click on the save. In this height, you will not be able to add anything, but the parameters will be just displayed for your purpose. Lastly, on the top right hand, you have the settings icon. You just have to click on that and make sure all the notifications are on so that you get it for your meal plans if you have updated, any messages, physical activity and water which is pending. Thank you so much for watching.